Oh my God. You guys. Hi. Hi, everybody. I know it's been like 20 years since I made a video. Peace and blessings. And I wanted to say, welcome back. Well, it's kind of like welcome back to me, but welcome back to you. And thank you for sticking around and watching my videos and subscribing. I want to say before I do anything else, thank you to all that have subscribed. Everybody. Like back when I first started making videos, what was like 2014 or 15, I don't even know, but all my little subscribers that were coming in, I felt so good and energized and motivated. And anyway, I want to say thank you to everybody, every single person that took the time to watch anything I said. You know what I mean? Like, thank you. I really appreciate it. It's 2020 April. I'm thankful to be alive, 47 years old. I'm just really grateful, you know what I mean? And I just wanted to come and say something quick because a lot of times I think I don't know, like you know how you follow somebody, and let's say for locks, because that's the whole reason I'm making this video. I just wanted to poke my head in real quick and let you know I haven't given up on my hair, because I know I made a lot of videos motivating you to get your hair, to get your locks done and don't give up. So I just felt like it's my duty to come back and say, okay, I haven't given up on my hair and I'm gonna show you an update. But I just wanted to say, a lot of times, people will have their hair locked, and then something happens and they cut them all off, and a lot of times when you're looking for motivation, you go back to say a video of the person you followed for whatever, and for a long time, and then next thing you know they cut their hair off and you kind of feel like bummed, like, oh wow. I know I felt like that. Like I've followed people and then come to find out they comb their locks out, they cut them off, or people that I used to work with had really really long locks, and then next thing you know I see them again and they're gone, and then they just have a typical hairstyle, and you kind of think like you were kind of using them as motivation, and then they cut their hair and you're like, well. So anyway, I have a duty to come back and motivate anybody that just started their lock journey, or is has been on it, is on it, has been on it for a long time, want to give up, tired of it, whatever the case is. I'm just back to say, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. And I'm also going to just interrupt really quick, like interject this. I hope to everybody out there that if you've lost anybody, family or friends or anything, from the corona situation, the virus that's going around, my condolences. I'm sorry to hear that. Stay up if that has happened. So I hope not, but if in case, my prayers are with you and your family. So anyway, but I did want to just peek my head, and especially right now, it's heavy out there, a lot of heaviness going on and stuff like that. So I just wanted to come give some motivation, of course, for your hair, of course, but just life, period. Just keep going. Just keep going. Trust me, I haven't made videos because there has been a lot going on in my life. People passing away. My brother's dying, two of them, and I have three. I'm a twin, and then I have four brothers total. Excuse me, three brothers total. There's four of us, and two of them died. So maybe another video I'll get into the details of that. But life happens. That's why a lot of people that make videos, I think they disappear because stuff gets heavy. But anyway, good stuff. I don't want to bum this video out and talk about too much depressing stuff, because I got on my Hakuna Matata shirt, one of my favorite t-shirts I wear everywhere. And I purposely wanted to make a video with it on because I feel like these are the times that we really, really need some motivation, to keep going, like I said. But anyway, without any further ado, I just wanted to show you my hair. I really honestly just wanted to show you my hair, what I've been doing with it and stuff like that. I don't want to make the video go on for a half an hour, but I just wanted you to know I haven't given up on my hair. I have not given up on my hair. It's still here and it's grown longer. You guys know I made a few videos about like washing and stuff like that. I still use rosemary. I still use tea tree. Nothing's changed. It's grown really, really long. It's black now. I dyed it. Uh, I've always dyed it, like colored. I usually use Beijing, but I had colored it. It wasn't really black enough, and then I wanted to go really, really black. So I put some jet black in it. So yeah, here it is. It's still here, you guys. I haven't cut it. Hang on, sorry. Let me push back a little bit. Yeah, I haven't cut it. It's still here. Still on my head. Still there. Back view. This is my back. So my lower back. Let me show you. It's about, yeah. So it's growing. I mean, I would love it if it was down here already, but it's growing really long. I like my beads in it. I got my beads. I have one that I keep at the very back. There it is. Got little beads I got from Walmart, and I just kind of stick them on my hair. The contrast is kind of off. There you go. You can see more detail. Yeah. I haven't cut them. They're still here, you guys. They're still here. I love my hair. I love my hair. I get to get up. I don't have to do much with it. You know what I mean? I just stay out of my chair. I don't have to do much with it. I can put it in a ponytail. I can leave it down. I can do whatever I want. You know what I mean? It's just free. So anyway, don't cut your hair off. If you just started your locks and you're going through the budding stage where it's fuzzy and you feel like giving up and you look at it and you think, or you're trying to cut the fuzz off, let the fuzz be. Don't cut the fuzz off because it's going to start maturing and your hair is going to grow long. I talked about when I started my locks in another video. I started my locks in 2009, November 2009, and they've been going strong ever since. Like I said, the only problem I'm having is just having a little bit of thinning right here, up through here on one side. But I just ordered some hair oil, and we're going to try it out and see what happens. So, you know, I haven't even gotten it yet, but it should be coming in the mail soon, so I can come back and make a video about that and tell you guys how it went. And so anyway, that's it. That's really all I have for right now. I got other ideas for videos, and they're not going to be all fancy with a digital camera. Not now, at least, maybe. But for right now, just showing you my hair. Still here. It's really here. What else did I want to tell you? Not really anything, you guys. Just I haven't given up, and you shouldn't either. Don't cut it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare cut your hair off. Don't you cut it. And if you're thinking about locking your hair, but you hesitate because you think you listen too much to what other people think, or you think it's not. Let me interrupt myself because I just thought about something. I've been wanting to talk about this. I have run into so many women, movie theaters, grocery stores, wherever, compliment my hair, and I'm humbled. I'm all excited because even though it's this long, I still am like, thank you, because I still remember wanting to do my, put my locks in my hair and being scared, didn't know how it looked with it and all that kind of stuff. So when people compliment me, I feel really good. I feel excited because I feel like it's a huge accomplishment, But anyway, so I've run into a lot of women and I ask, why haven't you locked your hair? Because they'll have like extensions that look like locks and stuff, but they just haven't locked their hair. 9 times out of 10, I hear the same reason. It's permanent. Like, yeah, that's the whole idea. You want it to be permanent, You want it to be permanent so you don't have to deal with a bunch of stuff. I'm not knocking anybody that has natural hair that you have to wash and condition and braid it and stuff like that. That's beautiful too. I would not change my hair. I'm going to hold on to my locks as long as they'll let me hold on to them. I'm going to hold on to them because I don't know. It's almost like having locks and growing locks is the same as having faith. You don't see the road all the way down. You don't know what you're going to run into, but you're willing to go through the journey. You know what I mean? Like you start your locks. You're scared. You can't see that far down the road. You don't know what they're going to look like. You're not even 100% sure what you're going to do to maintain them or anything. You just put them in and just go. That's like faith. You just trust in the unseen and just put them in and know that they're going to be okay. And that's what I did. When I locked it, I didn't need to ask a bunch of people what they thought and this and that because I just went based on me. And I know that I was tired of my hair coming out and stuff like that. Like I told you guys before, and I was like, I'm just going to lock it, and that's it, period. So if you are starting your locks in your living room at home by yourself and you don't have anybody helping you, don't give up. I know I was communicating with, and I apologize, I don't remember your name, one of my subscribers. We were kind of talking back and forth in the comments on one of my videos, and she doesn't have a loctician, and where she lives, I think it's Texas. If it's not, I apologize. And I apologize for not remembering your name. But if you don't have anybody, that's what the videos are for. You guys get in these videos because that's how I started mine. I started learning about interlocking, and that's what I do to my locks. I interlock them. I'm sorry, I apologize if you can't see them that good. I interlock them. I've been interlocking them for a long time. That's the only way. I mean, I started them with 2-strand twists when I first started, and then I would palm roll them. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, I was palm rolling them to maintain them, and I got tired of doing that. So I decided to, look online and go to look to see if there was a better way to keep them from unraveling, and it was interlocking. So I'm glad I did the interlocking. I've interlocked the whole time, and I love it. They never unraveled on me. So there it is. So I think you guys should just keep going. Seriously. If you just started them and they're short, they're going to get long. Mine started short. They started really short, and now they're all the way down past my bra, and I love it. I love my hair. I love wearing it down because I can kind of advertise. No, I don't do anybody's hair. A lot of people said they want to have me start their hair, and I'm like, no, I'd rather not, because I got all kind of mistakes all in my hair. I got somewhere in here, there's a lock that has 3 pieces hanging on it. I got some short ones. Check that out. My locks have broken off. We got some short ones up in here. I've messed up, okay? I'll be honest, I've messed up. But it's all right. But it's my hair. And that's how you should look at yours. If you mess up, don't worry about it. It's your hair. If you have a bunch of 2-headed dragons all over where the locks fuse together, that's okay too. I have those. They're all in my hair, I'm telling you. But it doesn't matter. None of that matters. I locked my hair. I love my hair. I love you guys. Thank you for staying with me. I promise I'll come back with more videos to motivate you so you don't cut your hair off. I love my hair. I think that's it. And if you're considering locking your hair, and that's why you're looking at this video, you should lock your hair because it'll free you. You wake up, you won't have to do anything. You go to bed, you just flip it on top of your hair. It'll get to this point and you really won't have to do anything when it gets this length. You know what I'm saying? So just don't give up. Don't give up. Stick with it. And I'll be back. And I love you guys. And thank you for being subscribers to my channel. You're so sweet. Peace and blessings to you. And stay up, okay? Stay strong.